Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutorial. The another video is the cybersecurity. The cybersecurity, the role of domain is the mostly nowadays used these roles in the 15 types of roles are there. This is the cybersecurity. Now I will tell you one by one and the definition also. Please subscribe our video tutorial point. Please share. This is useful. This video you can trust and you can share and like and comment and this video also. Thanking you once again. Your video tutorial. Let us go to the screen. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my video tutorial point. Today topic is the cyber security and domain roles. What are the main roles are generally the 15 roles are useful. Now I will explain a very simple method and very short and informative style. You can observe this video still watch starting to end. If you any doubt you can ask questions. If you useful this video you can share and like and comment your friends also your colleagues. Let us go to the don't waste time, that is video start. The on screen applications, application, architecture, edit, cloud, compliance, education, engineering, generalist, investigation, networking, offensive, operations, piracy, sales, threats. These all are 15 main cybersecurity used applications. The first one is the application. This application security specialist developed security ops, security code edit, and security software developed. The second one is the architecture, cyber security architecture and enterprise security architecture, senior security architecture. These roles are there. The audit, security audit, cloud, the cloud security architecture, cloud security engineer, senior cloud security architecture, senior cloud security engineer. This role are these fellows are there to security, cyber security purpose. The compliancy, the cyber security compliancy manager, the cyber security compliance officer, this is also there. The education side, the cybersecurity lectures and cybersecurity professors and cybersecurity awareness trainer, cybersecurity educators are this education side, domain side, cybersecurity side there. The engineers of the cryptography and security engineers are there. The engineering side, the generalist, the cybersecurity consultancy, cybersecurity specialist, senior security consultancy, the investigations, the cyber crimes analyzing the cyber crime department or cyber crimes agencies are there. The cyber crime investigators also there. Cyber security research centers also there. The including and instructions analyzing the malware analysis there. Senior malware analysis there. The networking side, the networking security and networking security engineers and administrators are there. Senior networking security engineers options, the junior pentation tester, team leader pentation tester, vulnerability tester. The operations, the cyber security administrator and cyber security analyst, senior security administrator, senior security analyst, senior SOS analyst, SOS analyst. This operation side, these are there providing cyber security, and the sides are data. The piracy, data protection of your search and piracy analysis there. The sales set, the cybersecurity sales and senior cybersecurity sales. The cybersecurity sales is providing some software, some da protecting programming their sale in the cybersecurity sales and senior cybersecurity sales. The work, the threats, the cyber threats intelligence specialist and senior cyber threats intelligence specialist are there. These all are most 15 useful. If you this video is worthwhile, if you gain some knowledge, you can subscribe, share your friends and colleagues. Thanking you once again, your Vijaya Tutorial. Thank you.